Hey guys, so today I am bringing you this beautiful makeup tutorial using it's a full face of all Walmart makeup products, nothing but what you can get at Walmart. So yeah, I really love the way that this look turned out. I used a lot of good products that I haven't used in a while, and it turned out awesome. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please subscribe before you leave, and let's just get started. So I am going to start off by priming my eyelids, and I'm going to use the NYX Shadow and Liner Primer, Ultimate Shadow and Liner Primer, and just going to take some of that on my eyelids, blend it out with my fingers. For eyeshadow today, I have this Eye Service Eyeshadow Quad from Uoma Beauty by Sharon C. I have a couple of different products from this brand, and I really like them. They make pretty awesome shadows. Oh, I see, this thing is to like keep the front of this down, and then when you want to open it, you just pull it down to the bottom to open up the shadow. That's pretty cool. So it's got like a lot of oranges and reds and like this really beautiful red. I'm gonna put this all over the lid today, do like a red smoky eye. So I'm gonna take my Real Techniques shading brush first and just use a matte cream shadow and set my inner corner to brow bone with that before I start, just to add some coverage there and set the inner corner to brow bone to help with blending. And then I'm going to take this orange shade right here with my Real Techniques Essential Crease Brush. And I'm just going to put this in the crease of my eye. And then I'm just going to be taking this yellow shade with the Morphe M562 Tiny Crease Blender. And I'm just going to be going around the edges of that orange and just blending it out. This red shade next. Oh, these have colors. These have names. So first I used, I think this is Sassy, and then this one is Unbothered Yellow, and then this red is called Lit. But I'm gonna use my Morphe M421 brush, and I'm gonna take that red shade, Lit, and I'm gonna put that all over, pack that all over the eyelid. I don't do these kind of looks a lot, but I like them when I do them. They look pretty. Oh, that is a gorgeous shadow. And these are really buttery and pigmented eyeshadows. They're really nice. Like, you could make this super summery and add like a yellow liner in the waterline, or you can make it super dark and vampy by adding like a black liner to this, which I feel like would also be cool. But yeah, it's a pretty nice eyeshadow palette, and that was super easy red smoky eye with that palette. Okay, so then for primer for my face, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Cookies and Dreams Putty Primer, which you can still get at Walmart. At least at my Walmart, you can still get it. It's a super duper creamy primer. I really like it. And it smells like yummy cookies and cream, so I love it. Okay, so then I'm gonna take the Hard Candy Sheer Envy Hydrating Primer, Makeup Gripper Primer. This is like a super nice, it's just a gripping primer, and it's pretty hydrating. So I'm going to use it today because it's one primer that I know you can't get anywhere but Walmart, because Hard Candy's at Walmart. Well, at least that's the only place that I can find Hard Candy. But it's a really nice primer. And just grips onto it'll just grip onto the makeup really nicely and make sure it doesn't move. It's at first like really hydrating, and then it gets tacky. Foundation today, I'm going to use the Uoma Beauty by Sharon C Flawless in Real Life Foundation. This has like a bunch of awesome things in it, infused with watermelon extract, apple starch, and I don't know how to say that word, but some sort of fruit extract. So yeah, it's really nice. It's a pretty nice foundation. It's like the perfect color for me. And I'm just gonna take 2 pumps and dot it all over the skin. It's a really, like, I find it like a really natural foundation. Like, it doesn't look like you're wearing tons of foundation, and it's really nice. I like it. Especially with a sponge. My e.l.f. Total Face Sponge is the one that I love, but yeah, it looks really natural on the skin. It just blends in. It's not like a super glowy foundation, but it's also not matte, so my favorite concealer is the NYX Bear With Me Concealer Serum. So I'm going to take 2 pumps of this, and you can actually get this at Walmart. I like to put it in the T-zone area, and then I like to dot it on all my acne spots. This concealer is literally amazing. If I have a dry patch on my skin somewhere, it like totally covers it up and just makes it completely go away. Like, I have like a foundation on that looks like really cakey, especially in like the nose area, and it looks super dry with my dry skin. And if I take this concealer on that spot, it literally like takes it away, and the skin looks amazing right where I put the concealer. So I basically like to put this all over my face. And like, look how amazing the skin looks with those 2 combined. Ugh, it's amazing. So for powder today, I'm actually gonna use something different for a change. The Hard Candy Chilling Wonder Powder, which you can get at Walmart. It's like, it feels like water when you put it on the skin. I don't know if I just like spilled it out everywhere. Yeah, it feels like water when you put it on the face. It's like super duper hydrating. And it's pretty nice. So I'm gonna take that with my sponge and press it down all over my face to set it. Like always. And it sets without making the skin feel dry. And like it feels cooling on the skin. So it's pretty nice. But then I recently got this new Rimmel Natural Bronzer. This is the waterproof bronzing powder in the shade 020 Sunshine. And it's a pretty nice, it looks like a pretty nice bronzer. It's a shimmery bronzer, which I've been wanting kind of like a shimmery bronzer because on the cheeks, it's like, it's gonna help make the cheeks just look so much more alive and bronzed, but like also it's gonna add some shimmer to it just to help liven up the skin a little bit. So I really like it. It's a pretty pigmented. Makeup Revolution now has a section in Walmart. So I got this Duo Blush and Highlighter palette. This is called the Blushed palette, and this one is in the shade Cute. And I realized when I opened this has like texture on the blush, which is pretty cool. I'm gonna take my brush and use that. Whoa, that's pigmented. Use some of that blush. Oh yeah, that's a pigmented blush. Okay, you need the tiniest tap of this blush to get color. That's really nice. It's a pretty nice shade. I'm gonna take that highlighter in here and this is actually an amazing highlighter. I was swatching it and it's so soft and buttery. Like, it's really good quality. So I really, really like this highlight in here, and this blush is super duper pigmented, so you need the tiniest bit of it and it will give you awesome pigment. That highlighter and put it in my inner corner of my eye to highlight. And then I'm going to do my brows really quickly. So I have the Uoma Beauty by Sharon C. 1 and Done 2-in-1 Brow Styler. So there's a brow gel on one end and then the pencil on the other, and it's really nice. It's a really nice like 2-in-1 product, so you don't have to worry about your using 2 different products or anything for it, but I am actually going to today because I like to use it with my brow powders. Use my Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit and just fill them in with the powder in this. I'm going to use my e.l.f. Dewy Coconut Setting Mist. This has like a coconut scent, and it gives like a really nice dewy finish to the face. So yeah, I'm gonna use this. So So then I'm going to finish off my eyes, and I'm going to use my e.l.f. Cookies and Dreams No Budge eyeshadow stick in the shade Sweet Cream, and just put that on my waterline to highlight my eyes. And then for mascara, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Big Mood Mascara. So to finish off my eyes, I'm going to use my Kiss Lash Glue Liner in black, and I'm going to pop on my Kiss So Wispy number 11 lashes. Okay, and then to finish off this makeup look, I'm going to use my NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in the shade London, and I'm going to line my lips with that and fill them in. I'm going to top that off with the Rimmel Stay Matte Liquid Lip Color in the shade Latte To Go. These are actually really nice, and I should totally get some more. Okay, so this is the completed makeup look right here. I really love the way that this turned out. I use a lot of products that I haven't used in a long time, and I actually have found a lot of good products again by doing this video. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.